Brian Parthemore here. Today I'm at the Car in Park Lane, Ohio by New Carlisle. And here it is. Boom. A Car. Well, there ain't no cars in the parking lot, so that's about right. I can't afford a car anyways, so. But let's check this building out, guys. We'll see what it looks like. Right now, we'll go for the side here. I'll give you guys a side view. Blam. Still a very nice building. Still well taken care of. You can see bird nests and everything. Let's go around here to the front and show some more. Let's see if we get a better view over here. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on Parthemore Paranormal. Yeah, that's a good building. So these red ants. Something. Whole bunch of red bugs. And inside the window too. Oh, they moved to Moraine, Ohio. Moraine. Pretty nice building. Face masks are required. But see that desk in there? Probably only too bad. Whoops. Can't get that from this one. Alright. Now I can see the calendar. There's a calendar against the wall. That's all messed up looking. But hopefully you like, subscribe, and comment on our page. And the last date on the calendar is November 2020. So I wonder if it went out of business November 2020. I don't know. But remember to like, subscribe, comment to Parthemore Paranormal. Again, this is a Car, Park Lane, Ohio. And remember to follow me, Parthemore Paranormal, on our next adventure. Peace, guys, and enjoy.